In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email account on your iPhone. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up the App Store on your phone. Using the search box, we're just going to type in the word Outlook and then you can press search. You then need to go and download the Microsoft Outlook app. As you can see, I already have this downloaded. So once that's finished installing, you can go and open up Outlook, and then you can click on Create New Account at the bottom of this page, and we can now go through the steps to create a Microsoft account. So just go and type in a username for your email address, and this will be followed by @outlook.com. You can change this to hotmail.com if you prefer, and then go and press Next. You can then create a password for your account, and then go and press Done. You can then select your country and region. You can also enter your date of birth, and then press Next. Now simply enter your first and your last name and then press Next. You'll then need to hold down this button to do the verification puzzle and then press OK. You have the option to create a Face ID or a PIN code, and this will allow you faster access to the account. I'm just going to press skip for now, as we can always do this later. You can then press Next, click on Accept, and then press Continue to Outlook. It will say, would you like to add another account? Select Maybe Later. Now that will take you over to the Outlook inbox, and now we can start creating and also receiving emails. If you click on your profile icon in the top left hand side, you'll be able to find your email address just listed right at the top. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.